friends, it's Katie. I wanted to share something that I've been doing for a while that has really helped me feel more confident in my ponytail. So what I did was I'd get a scarf, or you could even cut up some material, fold the scarf. So first I fold it in half like that. Then I fold this triangle bit in here, and then I simply keep folding. So the scarf is made into a nice elongated piece of fabric. Then I put it over my ponytail and I simply do a double knot. If you don't want such a sleek look, pull little bits up. Give your look a slightly more disheveled, easy, breezy vibe. Play around with your lipstick too to match with the colours from the scarf perhaps, and enjoy. I hope this inspires you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.